I was lucky enough to win, I think it was second prize, and because I know the first prize went to, I do believe, to Debbie Vignola, and I did ask her to hold off on sending them to me because I wasn't sure where I was going to be for a while. But they arrived yesterday, and it's a 3-kilo parcel. It is absolutely huge. It is big as, and I've been very eager to open it, but of course I didn't. And so I'm going to share that with you now. You'll have to excuse my shadow in the video. It's just early morning here, and I want to get this done before the day starts. Another busy day, but this is just so heavy. So let's see. I have some beautiful lace trim here. It is just a huge bag. There's a lots to go through, and here are some really pretty little dolls. These are the actual dolls that I made a while ago as well. And did you make these, Irene? Or did you buy these? These are so cute. I use them for my horses, my carousel horses. Can't believe that I've got some of these. Beautiful paper. I won't go through all the pages because you can see what the paper is, but I'm going to have a quick look. Really pretty. And this one is actually like a glossy sort of paper as well, parts of it. Wow, this is quite amazing. Some beads. I've got some beads here. That's good because I didn't take any beads with me. A little tag, actually a little card, and it's made from, it looks like handmade paper and a burlap. And here come all these beautiful trims. Oh dear. Aren't they just gorgeous? The eyelet trim and this beautiful crochet trim, and then this, we've got this really fine trim there as well. Here are some beautiful stickers. Oh, some bells for Christmas decorations. Cool. And some Christmas washi tape. I don't have Christmas washi tape. This bag is jam-packed full. Some pretty little teddy bear stickers. And some glitter gold. Now I've only got a tiny little vial of that left, so this will be awesome. Thank you, Irene. Oh, some flowers. Oh, thank you, Irene. These are lovely. They'll go well with my gypsy theme. Some really pretty lace again. See if I can zoom that in so you can see. There's quite a bit in here, ladies. Kitchen stickers and labels. I have no idea what that is. I might just open this up. Just bear with me. I hope you are all well and crafting. There's a lot of challenges on at the moment. I'm trying to maybe enter into a couple. Oh, this is for if you wanted to make something and you've got all your little tags and stickers in this little booklet. Kitchen stickers and labels. pretty cool. Some patterns, the old patterns. Yes, I've been collecting. I've only got a couple. Thank you, Irene. Awesome. Some leaves. Yeah, metallic leaves. Oh, they'll be nice for cards and journaling. And some pretty die cuts. No, felt stickers. These are felt stickers. I have to have a look. Oh, isn't this just gorgeous? Look at this. I'm not sure if they're all the same. Yes, they're all the same. But aren't they pretty? They'd be really nice in a journal or even on a card. Thank you, Irene. And we have some, it's an embellishment pack. It's got some tags there and some cord. Embroidered badges. This will come in really handy for making cards. And tropical sun stickers. Some beautiful butterfly coloured chipboard. I know there's a couple of ladies that love their butterflies. Some more stickers. Oh, yes, please. Thank you, Irene. I need some of these. Oh, look at these little cute little paper clips. They've all got the numbers on them. Some more beautiful lace trim. Now, Irene has her own shop, and Irene lives in Australia, in Melbourne. And I'm going to leave her link below, so you can go and visit her shop. And another box of beautiful little cards. And it's, this is Kaiser Craft, Capture Moment, Antique Bliss. Little journal cards, and these are the patterns that are in there. Gorgeous. Oh yes, some more flowers, paper flowers, some beautiful, beautiful twine. Wow. No, it's a trim. It's a beautiful trim, ladies. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? You've put a lot on here, Irene. I thank you very much. And these are just probably little cutouts, embellishments that you can use for cards. I won't take them all out. I could be here all morning. Lots of different paper pads. I don't think I'll ever have to buy another pad. I've only got a couple, and I only buy them when they're on special, because they're quite expensive. And some more beads. Beautiful. Look at this beautiful colour. Oh, some pretty red trim, red lace trim. But I love this blue. Isn't that gorgeous? And this is a nice dangle. Look at this beautiful dangle. Isn't this just absolutely gorgeous? Look at those big chunky beads. Oh, I can either use it like this for something, or I can take them off and make beautiful stick pins out of them. A bottle of craft glue. Thank you, Irene. Some more little embellishments for Christmas. That's pretty cool. some more stickers. Tassels. One can never have enough tassels. Can always pop them on a project. Some more little offcuts of just paper, die cuts of cardstock. Sorry, ladies. Some more tassels. So I've got purple and red. As you can see, my pile is getting bigger and bigger. Some beautiful lace trims. I might have to take this one out because this is quite pretty. And like I said, Irene sells these laces, and I have to share them with you. Look at that. Isn't that just divine? Oh, that's beautiful, Irene. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this, ladies. Hope you can see this. Isn't that pretty? And this little pretty one. And they feel so soft. Thank you, Irene. But wait, there's more. More paper stock. These are all 6x6 pads, which are just great size for me. Endless Summer Matte Stacks. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Now, wouldn't that make a nice card already? And they are 4.5 by 6.5. That would make a great IC card background, wouldn't it? Beautiful. Or a journal card. Thank you very much. This is really, really gorgeous. Some little tags. Irene's put a lot of goodies in here, and look at all these pretty laces. Some beautiful polka dot ribbon. Now these are little embroidered beads. Aren't they gorgeous? They are really, really pretty. I've tried to make some, cover little styrofoam balls, and but I just didn't have the right colours to do it with. And some, oh yes, some little wooden embellishments. Aren't they gorgeous? And I like the box that they come in, because the box can be useful later on. Knowing me, I'll alter that. Some beautiful paper flowers. Nearly getting to the end, and oh, look at this beautiful green. I'll be able to use some of this on my gypsy theme when I get my opportunity. Ah, look at that, ladies. A huge peg. Huge peg. It's a magnetic peg, so you can pop it on the fridge. And I do believe that's it. One more. This isn't a washi tape. This is a beautiful linen tape, linen trim that I can use for Christmas. But yes, so ladies, go over, if you don't know Irene or you haven't shopped in a shop, please go over and check out her shop and do say hello, subscribe to her, tell her Krista sent you, and again, thank you, Irene, for these lovely goodies. Yes, I won't have to be going to the shop for a while. I've got plenty of stock here, and thank you very